Ghost touches are often a minor problem no matter what your smartphone is. For iPhone users who have encountered this problem, you should not worry too much because you can always fix this issue on your own unless your device has some signs of screen or physical damage. In this video, I will be showing you what to do if ghost touches occur after updating your iPhone to iOS 13. First solution, perform the forced restart on your iPhone. Most of the time, ghost touches are a result of a rather minor firmware glitch. They can often be fixed by doing the forced restart, so that should be the first thing you should do. It's easy to do and none of your files will be compromised. Here's how you do that. Quickly press and release the volume up button and then quickly press and release the volume down button. The moment you release the volume down button, press and hold the side or power key until the Apple logo shows on the screen. If ghost touches still happen after this, then move on to the next solution. Second solution, reset all the settings on your iPhone. The next thing you have to do if the first solution failed to fix the problem is to bring all settings on your iPhone back to their default values. It's also one of the most effective solutions to this problem. Here's how you do it. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then touch Reset. Touch Reset all settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset all settings at the bottom of the screen and then tap Reset all settings again to confirm. Your iPhone will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to use the phone as you normally would to see if ghost touch still occur. If they still do, then move on to the next solution. Third solution, factory reset your iPhone. If this is just an issue with the firmware, then a reset will fix it, provided that your iPhone's hardware is not defective prior to the reset. Make sure to back up your important files because they will be deleted after the backup. Follow these steps to reset your iPhone. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all content and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed with the reset. After the reset, set up your iPhone as a new device. We hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell.